Hey, what's up guys? It's High Tech, and this is the Google Home Max, Google's new $400 smart speaker. So this one joins the original Google Home and the Google Home Mini, but it's obviously Google's biggest and most expensive smart speaker. So let's see if this thing is actually worth the price. The speaker actually comes in two colors, chalk, which is the version I have, and a darker version called charcoal. The design is pretty minimalistic, white on the sides with a gray mesh over the front cover. I like it. The build quality is really good. It's actually kind of heavy and feels really sturdy. Inside there's two 0.7-inch tweeters and dual 4.5-inch woofers that puts out stereo audio. On the bottom there's a magnetic pad that the speaker sits on, and this acts as an isolation pad to absorb the vibration coming from the speaker. You can also put the pad on the side of the speaker and set it up vertically. And if you had two of these speakers, you could pair them and have one for each stereo channel. On the top, there's a touch panel that lets you slide from left to right to change the volume and tap in the middle to start or pause music. There's also these microphones on the top that, aside from listening to your voice commands, supports what Google calls smart sound. So this feature uses machine learning to adjust the sound to match the acoustics of your room. It's pretty cool. On the back there's the power port, a reset button, a USB-C port, and a 3.5mm audio port in case you want to connect it to an external audio source, and you also get a mute switch. The power cable is this sort of olive greenish color, but the plug itself is actually really small, so that's super convenient. Setting up the speaker is super easy. You just download the Google Home app, wait for it to find your speaker, and then just let the setup wizard guide you through the rest of the process. Alright, so obviously this is a smart speaker, so you get all the cool Google Assistant features. But first, let's start with the main reason anybody would spend $400 on this thing, the sound. And let me just say that this speaker sounds amazing. Like, it gets loud, like ridiculously loud. Hey Google, set volume to 40%. Hey Google, pause. Hey Google, set volume to 60%. Hey Google, pause. Okay, so that's really loud. But let's keep going. Hey Google, set volume to 80%. Pause. Wow. So yeah, this would be pretty much overkill most of the time. I mean, if you have this in a room or even an apartment, there's seriously no reason to have this over 50, maybe 60% volume. But hey, this would be great at parties or in a larger, more open space. Okay, so like I said before, this is a smart speaker, so you get all of the benefits of having Google Assistant. You can pretty much tell it to do anything. You can tell it to make calls, you can have it set reminders, you can have it check your calendar, or you could just ask it totally random questions. Hey Google, what do I have on my calendar for today?
Today, there's only one thing. It's at noon, and its title is Finish Google Home Max Review.
Well, let me get on it. Hey Google, what do I have on my calendar for tomorrow?
Tomorrow, there's only one thing. It starts at 9 a.m., and the title is Become a Millionaire.
Hey, gotta set the bar higher, right? Hey Google, how many people are in the world?
The population of Earth was 7.442 billion in 2016.
Hey Google, when did dinosaurs go extinct?
65 million years ago.
Hey Google, what's 67 billion divided by 3,759?
The answer is 1.78239 times 10 to the power of 7.
So I'm saying a lot of good things about this speaker. It looks good, it sounds amazing, the Google Assistant features are cool, but is it actually worth $400? Now, if you gotta have a smart speaker and you're really into sound, maybe this would be worth it for you. But for the majority of people, I don't think so. I think most people will be fine with either the original Google Home, which retails for $129, or the Google Mini, which retails for $49. Alright, that's gonna wrap it up for this review, guys. As always, if you liked the video, hit that like button below and subscribe so you can catch my future videos. I'll catch you guys in the next one.